Hello everyone, today was very interesting because today my program crashed and I didn't understand why. But then learning about exception and also I learned ternary operator. Small thing but very useful. In this video I will show what is exception, how to fix errors, how ternary operator works, and I will solve 3 tasks. I don't just want to write code, I want to understand why it's work. Let's start with sometimes simple. What is it? Ternary operator is a short version of if-else. Example, int a equals 10, int b equals 20, int max equals a bigger b y. Structure condition have questions. Is true value 1, if false value 2. Step-by-step explanation. A bigger b, and we check is bigger than b. If yes, return a. If no, return b. Same with if else. Int max, if a bigger b, max equals a. Else max equals b. Ternary just makes it shorter. Important idea. Ternary is good for simple logic, not for long code. Task 1. We have two numbers. It's 5 and 9. Explanation. We compare two numbers. If a is bigger, return a. Else, return b. Simple. Task 2. Even or odd. This is a remainder. Example. 6% 2 equals 0. Even 7% 2 equals 1. It's odd. Important idea. We don't check the number, we check the remainder. Exceptions. Now the most important topic. What is exceptions? Exceptions is an error during program exceptions, not complete error, runtime error. Example 1, crashed. We don't delete 0. Then delete 0, program crashed. Why? Because we cannot divide by 0. Example 2, wrong index. Arrays has only 3 elements. Crash again. If program crash, bad user experience, we need control. Solution, try catch. How it's work? Try block runs first. If no errors, everything okay. If errors happens, program jumps to catch. You should see a real-life example. Array plus exceptions. Real task. Explanation step by step. We ask user index position in array, number, divisor. Possible errors. Wrong index. Example, R10 arrays has only 4 elements. Error, array index out of both exceptions. 2. Divide by 0. Error, arithmetic exception. Why we use 2 catch blocks? Because errors are different. We want different message. We don't stop program. We handle error. Today I learned ternary operator helps write shorter code. Exception help protect program. Now my code is safer and more professional. Before my program crashed. Now my program handles errors.